IELTS Essay 24. The use of social media is replacing face-to-face interaction among many people in society. Do you think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? IELTS 3 February 2024. IDP and BC essay is written by Mr. Sritharan A, L. Arumugam, B.Ed. TESL, Honours Degree Universiti Putra, Malaysia. CEFR C2 qualification. Certified English teacher. Email. Sritharan@gmail.com. YouTube channel. Melakaexplorer. Please click like, subscribe and share all my essay videos with all your friends and family, but let them watch it on YouTube. Please give generous donation to my CIMB Bank Berhad account, Malaysia, 7027996813 under my name. Thank you. The ascendancy of social media has significantly altered the fabric of interpersonal communication, increasingly supplanting traditional face-to-face interactions. This essay contends that, while social media presents several advantages by fostering global connections and accessibility, the disadvantages, particularly in undermining authentic social interactions and mental health, are more profound and hence outweigh the benefits. Social media platforms have democratized access to information and facilitated the maintenance of relationships across vast distances, enabling users to connect with like-minded individuals worldwide. This global networking potential has catalyzed movements for social change, allowed for the exchange of diverse ideas, and provided a platform for those with common interests to congregate, regardless of geographical constraints. However, the reliance on social media as a primary mode of communication has eroded the quality of interpersonal relationships. The subtleties of nonverbal cues, critical to understanding and empathy, are often lost in digital communication, leading to a dilution of genuine human connection. Moreover, the prevalence of social media has been linked to a rise in mental health issues, such as anxiety and depression, exacerbated by the pressures of online comparison and the pursuit of digital validation. In conclusion, although social media has revolutionized how we connect and share information, its impact on reducing the depth of human interactions and contributing to mental health challenges suggests that its disadvantages significantly overshadow its advantages. As society progresses, it is imperative to find a balance that preserves the essence of interpersonal communication while embracing the benefits of digital innovation.